Pre-trip, baby. You good? That iron fist. Still locked and loaded. No tampering. Reservoir's good. Check the box ID lights. All four good. Brake lights good, running lights. Hazards working. Mud flaps within 8 inches of the ground. Tires look good, bags look good, still pumping up. No noticeable leaks underneath the truck. She's been sitting all night. Drive tire's good, steer tire's good. No objects or debris in the way of the tire before we pull off. I do need some more windshield fluid. So all looks good to me. Cab ID lights are on. You probably can't see them because it's right in the sun. 5 up top of the cab, and then those 2 box ID lights. Hazards working, obviously. Regular beam, low beam headlights working. Yeah. It's the pre-trip, man. It takes 5 minutes. Just get out and do your due diligence. You never know, somebody could have did your truck overnight. Stuff just happens. So, yeah, that's that. So, let's get on up out of here. Continue to Vegas, baby. See y'all then.